Hello, my name's Jane Clark. I'm one of the Rexstone team, and our World Book Day book is On the Trail of a T-Rex. Now, I read loads of detective mystery stories like this one. This is the one I'm on at the moment. But this year, I'm going to read more cartoons, and I especially like the Far Side cartoon by Gary Larson. Now here's a good one. This is Larson's cartoon with a caveman giving a lecture to other cavemen and pointing out the 4 spikes on the end of a stegosaurus tail, and he says, now this end is called the Thagomizer after the late Thag Simmons, which means that Thag got squished by it, and that word is now used by people when they talk about those spikes on the end of a dinosaur tail. And I was given for my birthday all of the Far Side cartoons, so it's going to take me a while to get through them.